To set up Do Not Disturb mode in the Samsung Galaxy F07, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to enter notifications right here, and then we can go to the Do Not Disturb mode. When you open it, then there's the option already to turn it on and off, but based on the settings below, it will change on how you enable or disable it. So let's turn it off for now, and then we'll be able to see for how long. That way, if we change that option, we'll be able to just turn it on and off, put it on 1 hour or any time that you can customize right here, or ask each time you try to enable it. So now if we try to enable Do Not Disturb mode, it will ask me if I want to enable it until I turn it off manually or for a specific time. So that is the first thing. Then there's a schedule. The schedule allows you to basically set up Do Not Disturb mode for a certain time, and you can add and customize those schedules however you like. For example, I have a sleeping one that if I toggle on right here should turn on automatically my Do Not Disturb mode, of course, on every day 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Then there's allowed during Do Not Disturb mode. You can manage which activities will be allowed when Do Not Disturb mode is toggled on. We have calls and messages, and you can manage which calls and messages, contacts will be allowed to basically bypass Do Not Disturb mode. You can also activate repeat callers. That means if somebody tries to call you 2 times during 15 minutes, then the second time the call will be attempted, it will go through. So we can enable that as well. And the same can be done for messages here as well. You can put them for none, for favorite contacts, contacts only, or all of the people that try to message you. Then there's app notifications. You can also add apps that you want to work normally when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. And there's also alarms and sounds. So there's multiple different system sounds like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders. You can turn them on and off however you like. And lastly is hide notifications. You can hide full screen notifications when the screen is off. When the screen is on, you can hide up icon badges, hide from notifications panel, don't show pop-up notification, hide status bar icons. And this all applies when Do Not Disturb mode is toggled on. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.